Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my trading signals for cryptocurrencies. Today is the 24th of September. So, I have a new chart. I will explain it to you. I also have, I want to say to you that the signals are very good. I have been getting emails from people and messages requesting the signals. Like I told you in the last video, I still have them private. I'm not, even if you try to, even if you're willing to pay for them, right now, I'm not taking any requests, any of that because I'm still doing more tests. Okay, I'm a perfectionist, and I really only unleash or release a product or a service once that I know it's extremely profitable. And right now it's extremely profitable, but I want to test it and basically go run it to the limit. I want to see how many operations can I operate simultaneously at the same time, even in stocks, in forex, in other realms of finance, not just crypto. And I want to do that, and then only then I will do the signals. But basically, it's coming very soon. I'm expecting within the next month, something like that. So I also have been trying to make the indicator available for meme coins. I have been getting into meme coin trading recently. I was trying a strategy that was very bad, extremely bad, but I have discovered a new way to make kind of the indicator that I'm using function for meme coins, and that has been a complete changeover. It's like the complete opposite from what I was getting with the first test in the other outdated strategy. So it's going to be very interesting if I can actually get the signals to work with meme coins as well. Obviously, meme coins are extremely volatile to say the least, and they can only be traded in maximum at the 1 minute time frame. Okay, you need to be in seconds in order to actually be profitable with that. So it's possibly going to be another interesting development. I will once that I get the time, I will start doing meme coin trading even more, and maybe who knows, I will allow people to copy trade me if you want. So I don't know. Uh, that's all in the future. So let's talk about what compels us for today. So we got the signals for Bitcoin. I told you, and I've been telling people that it's really this position is going lower right now. As you can see, if we try to measure today, we are on the 3 hour time frame. So let's try to go on 1 hour. So it kind of looks better. So it's kind of a day in range. Yeah, actually, it's a complete range. We got to the maximum position, to the highest, we got 1%, and back again to zero. So basically in range, perfectly in range. So not even a single green day so far. The highest position was supposed to be the 22, because this is how the circles work. So I have been already telling you that I have a new way to predict the future, and this is kind of more surgical, more precise. I'm only targeting lowest and highest levels. So the circles represent the highest positions for the week. So on the 22, and we got another one on the 26th. Something's maybe could be a surprise. Maybe some days could actually be green days. Who knows? But what we can see from this is that basically it's going lower, because if the 22 was the highest position, that means it's going lower, and I believe the 25 tomorrow is going to be possibly the lowest position in the entire week, and possibly in the entire month, because that could also happen. We can actually expect, maybe in the worst case scenario, something like 3% loss. That will basically return us almost back to the initial levels that we saw on the first week, the first day. So let's try to measure this. From this position to that, we're talking 4%. So it could happen in a single day. or maybe a combination of several days, maybe 25 and 26. Who knows? Maybe 28 could be also dangerous. This ellipse is basically the position of the week, so it's going to be a lower week. Obviously, it's kind of it would have been better if I had done that when the month started, but I was very busy doing other things. So basically, and in general, we can see even more corrections coming up. Okay, 25. I haven't really closed my short yet. It's like on 3-digit percentage profit uh, on performance rather, but it's possibly going even higher when the correction actually hits tomorrow. Right now, the model is prediction, signaling a correction. That's on the 1 hour time frame. If we go to 4 hour time frame, for some reason, Bitcoin has not triggered the 4 hour time frame yet. But if we go to 3 hour, I believe that was the initial one. Yeah, it's already been triggered. And if we go to, let's say, 12 hour time frame, it's still in a correction. 1 day time frame, I believe it's still in a correction. Yeah, so just like that, it's going lower, almost guaranteed to go lower. And after then, some things could happen. But if you want that information, you need to email me. Okay, I have the exact days of the best days of the crucial moments in crypto. Okay, before the bull run officially ends. So if you want that information, you'll have to write to me, and obviously that's going to be that's paid information. So you have to pay for that. Okay, it's very powerful. I cannot really give that for free. And in fact, I have already given you many. I have already given you the clearest signals, the most profitable signals. I told you to short on the 18th of September. And look at this extremely profitable short right now on Bitcoin and many other altcoins. So that's for what we got for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at just very quickly. Let's just go to Ethereum, also on the correction right now. Okay, so um, fully red all of these days, all of these trends. It's still a bearish correction trend. So that's Ethereum right now. And let's just go to IOTA to finish the video. Again, very similar to Ethereum. Okay, very similar. In fact, it's actually Ethereum is going lower right now. It's spiking really bad right now. So maybe even IOTA outperforming Ethereum at least today. But yeah, the situation is very similar for all of these cryptocurrencies. Okay, for example, IOTA is completely red right now. Okay, it's not even in range. The month is entirely in red. So it was holding up right, kind of strong in the first 3 weeks, but after that, it's just complete collapse. So it's really crazy. And what's even crazier is that I told you many days in advance. I gave you the signals for free. Okay, you didn't have to pay a single thing. There are some people who run private groups, so-called alpha groups, and those are complete trash. And you have to pay for them in order to get extremely trash signals that don't even work. And most of the time, you just get people liquidated. So imagine that you get the information for free, the best signals, the best entries, all of that for free right there, right here in this channel. So that's all I have for you. So like, share, and subscribe, follow the work. Again, many cool things are coming up. So stay tuned to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.